Oppo looks like it's gearing up to make a pretty bold statement with its next compact flagship, because new information suggests the upcoming Find X9S could push mobile camera hardware into territory we haven't really seen before. Back in December, early reports hinted that Oppo was at least experimenting with the idea of using two 200-megapixel cameras on the Find X9S, and now a new update from reliable tipster Digital Chat Station suggests that this plan is very much real. According to the leak, Oppo is preparing a dual 200-megapixel setup, pairing a massive 200-megapixel main camera with an equally high-resolution 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. What makes this particularly interesting is the form factor. The Find X9S is a compact phone set to feature a 6.3-inch flat display with a 1.5K resolution, and Oppo is reportedly using lipo display packaging to shrink the bezels on all four sides. Powering everything will be MediaTek's upcoming Dimensity 9500 Plus, which is expected to sit right at the top of MediaTek's performance stock. Digging deeper into the camera hardware, the main shooter is tipped to use Samsung's 200-megapixel HP5 sensor with a 1/1.56-inch sensor size, while the periscope telephoto camera is also said to rely on the same 200-megapixel HP5 sensor, offering 3x optical zoom. That means Oppo could be betting heavily on high-resolution sensors not just for photography, but also for improved digital zoom, cropping flexibility, and video performance. What really stands out here is that even the larger Find X9 Pro doesn't feature two 200-megapixel cameras, making this setup somewhat unexpected on the smaller Find X9S. Alongside those two headline sensors, the phone is said to include a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera to round out the triple camera system. Oppo is also expected to lean on its Dangsha color reproduction system combined with a multispectral sensor to improve color accuracy and skin tones, an area where Oppo has been putting in a lot of effort over the past couple of generations. And the surprises don't stop with the cameras. Despite its compact footprint, the Find X9S is rumored to pack a battery rated at around 7,000 mAh, which would be extremely impressive for a 6.3-inch phone. Wireless charging is said to be on board, along with a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, full water resistance, and the usual suite of flagship-level features. As of now, there's no concrete information on an exact launch date, but the Find X9S could arrive alongside the Find X9 Ultra, which is currently expected to debut sometime around March 2026. That said, do consider subscribing to the channel for daily tech updates, and I'll see you guys on the next one.